Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong kakhot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number
Watla padlap ya ki arngot ki sikurem ki bajar ngai hakathan sora Henry ki arngot ki MP jong ka Madhya Pradesh ki bawan sa Shillong kata u Shankar Lalwani u MP ka Lok Sabha na Indore constituency But Usumer Singh Solanki u MP ka Rajya Sabha ki penpau ka Jingsho Hun namarba ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka Trishtom Banwat yaki. Kini ki MP kilay kendu ya u Chief Secretary ka Jala u ba DP Walang bat kumjuru ya ka Director General of Police ka Meghalaya ka Kong Ai Nongrang IPS bat kilas ngohun Hadien bikila yosngo ya ka jingbatay jongki ba ka sorkar kam syong thad hanrei ka trisitom banwat yaki arngon. Ki MP kila penparu ka jingsokmen ban yo jingtep ba ki nong syong snong jong kathan sora ki yarap lang. Bat ki atray lang banwat ya u Raja Raghuvanshi bat ka Sonam Raghuvanshi. Ki layat ho ba ki bahayeng hasem jong kini ki arngot ki dangdon menta hasilong.
पिछले दिनों हम सबको मालूम है कि हमारे इंदौर का एक न्यूली मैरिड कपल यहाँ घूमने के लिए आया था और उसके बाद जो जानकारी लगी कि दे आर मिसिंग तो परिवार वालों को भी चिंता हुई, हमको भी चिंता हुई और परिवार के लोग फैमिली मेम्बर यहाँ ऑलरेडी यहाँ थे, हम भी यहाँ पहुँचे और इमीडिएटली वी मेट द डीजीपी शिलोंग। उनसे डिस्कस हुआ, उन्होंने हमें बताया कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग और लेवल बेस्ड एंड सर्च ऑपरेशन SDRF and police, they have made one SP looking after this all operation. So they told us कि we are doing our level best. Today we met Chief Secretary and IG and SP who is looking after this operation, and we discussed all the our doubts with them, and our family member was there. What they told, they are doing their level best, and we have requested कि you employ more search operation people for drone and dogs, so that we come to know the situation.
But terrain is difficult. It's very difficult.
This place is very difficult, and 7 days is gone, so we are worried. Chief Secretary told that there are so many villages are there. We are searching, and SDRF team and other team we have motivated all our level based what we have sources, and he also told us that we are doing our level best. If we required, we will do extra support from other state if we required. So till now there is no clue or there is no information about them. So we hope, let us hope police will do their level best, and we will get soon the where are they. Yes, Chief Secretary told that we are doing our level best because tourism is the main focus in Meghalaya here. So we are they are our guest, and we will do our level best. They also told that the villages also, the tribal village, they also cooperating us for this. So let us hope he told me that we are more drone will be provided and dog will search, but there is a skip their landscaping and otherwise the rainy season is there, so operation obstacle. So I think let us hope we will come to know what is happened. विक्टिम के भाई भी थे और विक्टिम के जो उनकी भाभी थी उनके ब्रदर भी थे, वाइफ के ब्रदर, बोथ आर हियर। और कल भी थे हमारे साथ, आज भी हमारे साथ थे। तो उनके मन में जो भी डाउट्स थे और जो भी क्वेरी थी वो हमने कल डीजीपी को भी बताया और आज चीफ सेक्रेटरी को भी हमने उसको लेकर बात की। और वहाँ पर एसपी थे, उनको भी हमने जो जो हमारे उसमें डाउट्स थे उनको बताया। तो उन्होंने कहा कि वी आर डूइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट, आई विल ट्राई सून दे विल फाइंड।
Now,
Yeah, it's already 7 days. We are worried about them. They told more than 100% are in this operation. They are searching, and drone is there. We request them कि more drone should be there, and more dogs should be there, so we can come to know what happened there. Yesterday we have phoned them. We have asked the appointment, but today he is not in town. He is in Delhi. Secretary told me. So we'll try. We'll contact our chief minister. Talk to them, and our chief secretary also talk to chief secretary.